Once again this year, the Embedded World in Nuremberg opens its gates. Approximate 1,000 exhibitors from all over the world present their products and solutions for embedded systems. Over 30,000 professional visitors and almost 1,700 Congress participants inform themselves about the latest trends in the electronics industry. The Würth Elektronik eiSos Group, as one of Europe's largest manufacturer of electronic and electromechanical components, presents itself once again as a company that relies on the high-quality advice of customers and supports in the ideal use of the products. One presentation island and 5 design and solution islands structure the attractive booth.
Hello and welcome to WE Inside here at Embedded World 2017 at the booth of the Würth Elektronik eiSos Group. Behind me you can see the big stage for our small components, chip-beat ferrite, power inductors, power modules, connectors, capacitors. So it's all about miniaturization. And what else is new, Marion?
Thank you, Matthias. We are extraordinarily proud to be a sponsor for the Embedded World Conference of this year and to have the experts from STMicroelectronics on our booth for expert lectures. The trade conference is the meeting point for all the creative minds in the world of embedded systems.
Thank you. Absolutely right, Marion. And for this reason, our product and sales experts will give you cool insights into the world of electronic and electromechanical components. We hope you enjoy WE Insight and the presentation, especially for all the embedded systems.
Passive components are an important factor for embedded applications. It changed a lot in the fields of core materials as well as miniaturization. Mr. Brander, what is so special about the new WE-MAPI?
What is special about the WE-MAPI is that it is the world's smallest wire-wound metal alloy power inductor. It has very low parasitics and a self-shielding construction.
How are these features achieved?
The properties are achieved with our special production process and the appropriate and innovative product design.
Which product portfolio offers Würth Elektronik eiSos in the range of LAN transformers?
In the field of LAN transmitters, we have a very broad spectrum. We offer discrete, but also integrated solutions in the RJ45. It starts with speeds of 100 megabit per second and goes up to 10 gigabits per second. We have different LEDs for the integrated connectors and can also transfer power from 13 watts to 150 watts.
And where leads the development in this field?
In the field of LAN transmitters, the transmission rates will increase. Currently, we're talking about over 40 gigabits per second. Also, the performances, which are transferred via the normal LAN cable, are getting higher. And that will be very exciting for the future.
Thank you, Mr. Brander, for those very interesting insights. Especially interfaces are in focus when it comes to embedded applications. The trend is towards smaller and more powerful. Mr. Hornung, what is the main purpose of application of the FPC connector with LVDS display interface?
At this moment, main application areas are clearly in the embedded area. Especially here, the LVDS is ideally suited for a high data transfer speed. A further main purpose is the general data transmission in the high speed range.
Which products are arousing interest of the customers at the moment?
Great interest at the embedded world arouses the USB 3.1C or 3.1 second generation. Especially for the customer, there is the possibility to excite the complete power of 100 watt with an extent of 20 volt and 5 amps.
Mr. Hornung, thank you for your time. Last but not least, the heart of each circuit is the IC. With modular IC, a lot of development time can be saved and standardized solutions can be used. But what exactly is meant by the term IC or integrated circuit?
Integrated components and the LED driver LDHM means that the inductance, capacitance, as well as the switching regulator IC are already integrated.
Which direct benefit do customers have of it?
It's very clear that it's a very big customer benefit that the customer needs to design much less external components and can therefore integrate it quickly with its product. So he has the possibility to place his product on the market very quickly. It has a great development time saving, which of course means a time saving and therefore a cost saving. For this purpose, Würth Elektronik offers a very strong layout support as well as a design support. Regarding the design support, we offer a useful evaluation board. Here, the necessary components are summarized again, and one can test and measure it fast and is able to decide whether it can be used in the application of the customer or not.
That's a fantastic service. The product and solution portfolio of the Würth Elektronik's eiSos group inspires the customers and exactly meets their requirements. We call it more than you expect. The Embedded World 2017 was a great success for all participants. That's why the whole team is looking forward to the continuation the next year and interesting fair insights with WE Inside.